Today we're making Silky American chocolate mousse. It serves 6 and takes about 25 minutes plus 2 hours to chill. Let's whip it up. First, let's check the ingredients. 8 ounces of chopped semi-sweet chocolate. This is our deep, rich base. 2 cups of cold heavy cream, divided. We'll heat 1/2 cup and whip 1 and 1/2 cups. 1/4 cup granulated sugar to sweeten the whipped cream. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract for warmth and aroma. 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt to balance the sweetness. 1 teaspoon instant espresso powder, optional, to intensify the chocolate. 1 packet of unflavored powdered gelatin, about 2 1/4 teaspoons, to set the mousse. 3 tablespoons cold water to bloom the gelatin. 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder for a final dusting. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Put a metal mixing bowl and whisk in the freezer for 10 minutes to chill them well. Add 8 ounces of chopped semi-sweet chocolate to a medium heat-proof bowl. In a small saucepan, heat 1/2 cup of the heavy cream over medium until steaming, not boiling, about 2 to 3 minutes. Pour the hot 1/2 cup of cream over the chocolate and let it sit for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon espresso powder and 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt, then whisk until smooth and glossy. In a small bowl, sprinkle 1 packet, 7 grams of unflavored gelatin over 3 tablespoons of cold water and let it bloom for 5 minutes. Microwave the bloomed gelatin until just melted, 5 to 10 seconds. Whisk it into the warm ganache along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla. If the ganache is hot, let it cool 5 minutes until just warm. In the chilled bowl, whip the remaining 1 1/2 cups of cold heavy cream with 1/4 cup sugar to medium soft peaks, about 2 to 4 minutes. Fold about 1/3 of the whipped cream into the ganache to lighten the base. Fold in the remaining whipped cream into additions, gently, until no streaks remain. Spoon the mousse into 6 small cups or glasses, dividing it evenly. Smooth the tops and refrigerate for at least 2 hours until fully set. Dust the tops with 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder using a fine sieve. Serve the chocolate mousse chilled. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this mousse, tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more quick desserts. See you next time.